Now for this style, I'm going to use a couple of my favourite hair slides and that rat that I've made myself. Now all this simply is the hair collected from my brush where I brush my hair. I've put it into some very fine hair nets just to keep that all in shape. So that's my homemade rat with my own hair in it. First thing I'm going to do is to put my hair up in the slides, just a little bit of back combing the top layer of hair, bring the bit underneath up and over, give it a little twist, and in goes one hair slide on that side. I will just with my finger pull that out a little bit to give it a little bit of depth. And now for the other side, a little back comb, bring the hair underneath, up and over, give it a little twist and pop another hair slide onto that side, teasing out the hair a little to get again a little bit of fullness. Now the rest of the hair I'm going to take to the back, get my rat, place that onto the back of my hair and gradually let it all roll down a bit so that, like with the scarf, I can tuck my hair between the rat and my head. Now for this you are going to need some sturdy hair grips, pop that through the rat into the back of your hair, working from the centre back towards the sides, finally tucking in the hair around the end of the rat, and I also might put a few hairpins through the base just to hold it securely. Now, as you can see, another hairstyle done in a couple of minutes. Simple, easy.